Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Ugh, I can't draw.
Why are you crumpling up another drawing?
It's trash.
Trash? Let me see. You could turn this into a wonderful drawing.
But Kit wants it to be perfect.
Perfect? Well, I know a perfect story. Want to hear it?
Sure. What's it called?
Picture Perfect. Once upon a time, there was an alien chef from planet Perfect. He had perfect green skin and a perfect spaceship. He came to Earth to find the perfect dinner to serve that night on planet Perfect.
But the alien had no idea what Earth food even was. First he tried to eat
a shovel.
Yuck.
An old boot.
A dirty diaper.
Ew! The food on this planet is terrible.
He sure won't make a perfect meal if he doesn't even know what food is.
Kit, let's be farmers and help him pick some yummy veggies for a perfect meal.
Perfect.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Howdy.
Need some help?
Yeah, I need to make a perfect dinner, but this food is disgusting.
That's not food.
What you need are some yummy vegetables.
Exactly. What are vegetables?
Come on, we'll show ya. These are vegetables.
You can make a delicious soup with them.
Perfect.
This is called a carrot.
They're delicious.
No good.
What's wrong with it?
Can't you see this spot over here? You can't make a perfect meal unless you use perfect ingredients.
Oh, okay.
Look, broccoli.
Worthless. See? This part's greener than that part.
Huh? Oh, right.
Do you want these?
Those? No.
Then mind if I take them? They're perfect.
Maybe perfect for a trash collector.
Here, these green beans are perfect.
Absolutely not. They are all different lengths. Don't you have anything perfect here?
Wait!
What is this?
It's a radish.
Yes, this radish is perfectly perfect in every way. Now we can finally make the perfect vegetable soup. One perfect radish in perfectly boiling water. Bon appetit.
Yuck!
I think that diaper tasted better. What is that smell?
Wow, big place you got here.
Who made this soup?
I did, from all the vegetables you threw away.
But they weren't perfect.
Perfect enough for me. Try some.
It's perfect! Can I please take some back to Planet Perfect? Pretty please.
Take the whole pot. There are plenty more perfectly good vegetables in the garden.
Thank you. If I leave now, I can beat the traffic and get back by dinner time. Farewell, Earthlings.
That story was perfect, Grandpa.
And look what I made from your drawing.
It's perfect. It looks just like the alien. I'm gonna fix one of my drawings now.
That's great, Kit. Except for one thing.
What's that?
It's supposed to be the spaceship.
Go, 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 5. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitty, kitties, let's go.
Chugga, 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 chugga.
Kittens! My friend's gonna be here soon, and she's bringing her little boy Nicholas. I'm sure he would love to play trains together with you.
But what if he breaks them?
He can play with this bear.
Or how about we make up a story that you could tell Nicholas? It could be called The Host with the Most. Once upon a time, there was a lucky pup who lived in a super cool mansion. And one day, he got a letter from 2 of his best friends saying they were planning to visit him.
Oh, we'll have so much fun!
Hey, we could be his friends.
And play all day in his cool house.
Cool.
Go, kitty kitties, let's go!
There you are! What took so long? Come on in!
Something smells good.
I made us lunch!
Ooh, fish.
It looks so delicious.
Oh no, that's for me. Those are for you. Have as much as you want.
You don't have any more fish?
Of course! Halibut, sea bass, and tuna.
Can we have some?
Well, no. That's mine for tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, and the day after that.
Aw.
That was delicious. Now, let's go play.
But
Wow! You have your own racetrack?
it must be so much fun.
It is. Do you want to see how much fun it is?
Sure.
Yeah!
Great! Then watch me.
Aw.
We must be taking turns.
Well, what do you think?
It's awesome.
It sure is.
Oh.
When is it our turn?
And the winner is... What? Me? I don't believe it!
Pup!
What? What? Oh, of course. You must be tired from all this excitement. Time for a nap.
Whoa! What a great room for a nap!
That's the biggest bed I've ever seen. I can't wait to sleep.
Oh, no. This is my room. Yours is next door. Ah.
What a surprise.
It's okay, Kate. How bad can it be?
Pretty bad.
That's it. I've had enough.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, you really know how to power nap.
No, we're leaving.
Oh, but why? We had such a great day.
Maybe you did, but we didn't.
Here's what you wanted us to eat.
Oh.
Here's what we didn't do.
And here's where you wanted us to sleep.
Ah! Oh, I'm such a silly sausage. I was so busy enjoying myself, I wasn't thinking about whether you were having fun. I'm so sorry. Please stay and let me show you how much fun you can have here. Please, 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 please.
Okay.
And so the pup tried again.
Bon appetit.
Fish. Yummy.
But this time, he made sure that everything they did was fun for all of them, not just himself.
Watch me! Woo!
And the winner is... us!
And much to the pup's surprise, he found that sharing his favorite things actually made him feel better than having them all to himself.
Nighty-night. Sweet dreams. What a great day.
Great story, Mom. I'm sure Nicholas would like it.
But he'd probably like playing with our new trains a lot more.
Won't be needing you.
Aw, I'll fix you up.
We're gonna have so much fun!
Choo-choo!